Come on, guys. Today I'm going to find lots of golden stones.
Hey, James, you're not going to find anything like that.
Oh wait, I forgot to add water. Let's check it properly now. Oh no, my luck is terrible. I didn't find even a single nice stone.
But look at me. I found so many beautiful stones.
Why am I not finding any?
Because you don't know the correct way to search for stones. I'll show you how. First, fill the basket with sand. Then, pour some water into it. After that, shake it gently to wash away the soil. And see, we've found so many cute, shiny stones.
This guy is the only one who has the skills. He can paint straight lines perfectly on the cars in just one attempt. Even some big shot companies giving him some contracts to paint their limited edition cars. Because his precise allows him not only to draw a straight line, but even some complicated designs come in his unshakable hands. However, it makes me sad because he only got 2 likes.
Look, my mouth hurts so much, so whenever I eat spicy food, it burns like crazy. But you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna eat it anyway. But wait, it touched my wound, so I have an idea. Maybe I should eat everything at once. Take this! Oh my god, the burning is even worse. I can't feel my lips anymore. And as if that wasn't enough, it feels like I had jaw surgery. So please, guys, at least leave me a like.
Hey, Emma, what's going on?
Sam, I'm eating noodles. They're so tasty.
No, Emma, look, these noodles are so oily and spicy. If you eat so much oil and spice, you'll get sick. Let me use this gadget to remove all the oil and spice. I'll just stick it on the noodles and it will automatically absorb everything. Now look, the noodles are fresh and healthy.
I have a Spider-Man shaped candy. I have a Piggy Rider shaped candy.
I have this big taro.
This is not a candy. Go get a candy like ours, then we will play with you.
Uncle, can you make candy for me in exchange of this taro?
Kids, do you support me?
Yes, Uncle.
Okay, I will make a nice candy for you. Just watch, kids. I will have your candy ready in a few minutes. But will these people support us?
Yes, Uncle. The people who watching your video are very nice. They will definitely like your video and subscribe. Guys, please comment with your cute name.
Look, kids, your candy's ready.
Thank you, Uncle. Look, I have Paw Patrol candy.
Wow, that is a great candy. Now we can play together.
Hey son, how did you follow me all the way to school? If the teacher catches you, we're both going to get scolded.
Then I'm going to tell her. Teacher, listen.
Hey, be quiet. The teacher is going to catch us.
What is going on back there?